I literally could just eat this for my meal and be very safe.
I'm glad you love it, man. Pajan is one of the most common Korean foods. 70% of Korea is covered by mountains, which certainly has a profound impact on the food here. Today, we're taking my brother deeper to experience food defined by Korea's mountain landscape. And in the very heart of Jirisan Mountain, South Korea's largest mountain range on the mainland, you can find Dargung Sikdang, a nopo matjip that specializes in Korean mountain cuisine. Dargung Sikdang passed on knowledge and love for Korean mountain cuisine, and I couldn't wait to see if this restaurant could do the same for my brother. Warm weather has finally arrived, and it's the perfect time to fire up the grill. Thanks to Andy's Korea, I'm now offering my family's 100-year-old traditional bratwurst recipe in Korea. Check out the description below and watch until the end of the video to find out more about my handmade sausage. If you guys watch my YouTube channel, you know that I love this restaurant. I have a long history with Dargung Sikdang in Jirisan. This restaurant specializes in Jirisan 흑돼지, which they cook with 장작구이. So they're actually cooking with wood fire. Dargung Sikdang started as a bake soup restaurant in the 1980s by the wife of a construction worker who helped build the road through the mountain. And the same family continues her tradition to this day. These days, it's the Jirisan black pork and gunji roasted over oak firewood coals that they are most famous for. First, the 3 to 5-year-old kimchi is aged in giant controlled kimchi caves, imparting a deep and dank sour taste that pairs perfectly with the oily pork. The mountain vegetables are harvested nearby, in the mountains, washed directly in the cool streams of Jirisan spring water. This is farm-to-table dining that would make the likes of Dan Barber weep. But hey, this is South Korea. Believe it or not, this is kind of just normal here, and I'm all for it. This is how they make the doenjang sauce that you liked, and also soy sauce starts here. They pack soybeans into these blocks, and then it ferments and gets mold on it, and then they put it in a jar and add water and ferment. That's how you make soy sauce. This is like step one for soy sauce. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
When we order the pork, they're gonna cook it in this thing with using the wood fire. It's gonna get this smoky taste.
Like the broad trailer when we were cooking in there, right? Like it brings back memories.
You're gonna put it on the pan and grill that kimchi for us.
여기 있잖아요. All right.
The best part is the air is just so fresh. It's like just clean. It is. What is that? That looks really good, right?
Which one?
There.
Oh man, this is we should get that. This is acorn jelly salad. It's a vinegary, sour, sweet and sour kind of. It's really good, but acorn jelly. This is dodok, which is mountain root with honey. We should get that one as well. 안녕하세요. Wow, long time no see. How are you, friend? This is my brother. 진형입니다.
That looks so
We're gonna
good.
get the pork.
Yeah,
We're gonna get the pork.
Really good.
You ever had like maple tree water before in America or anything?
I don't think so.
It's one of my favorite things. It's got a slightly sweet taste, and it's gonna taste like ultra filtered like Fiji water. Cheers. So
that's
refreshing.
really fresh.
And then at the end, the sweetness comes in.
That's good. That's
Okay.
really good.
This is the dotori묵 acorn jelly salad.
Oh, that's straight honeycomb, isn't it?
Yeah, honeycomb. They have their own. They make their own honey here.
Yeah.
They have their own
bees.
Harvest.
감사합니다. 와, 특별 음식. It's really special food.
So what is
we went to those.
what
so
is this?
This one, they grind acorns, which becomes like a starch, and then they add some gelatin.
Gelatin to it?
It's really good, and then the sauce is going to be like a vinegary, spicy sauce.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah. So this is an acorn jelly salad.
Acorn jelly salad.
Yeah.
It's really good. Very earthy.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Okay. Hey, 감사합니다. Here's the real.
Oh man.
Yeah, that looks so awesome. 감사합니다. Wow, this smells so good.
It is. It smells good.
This is supposed to be like dipped in honey. Try it.
So this is like root.
Yeah, probably turnip is the closest thing I could describe it as. Like a nice crispy turnip. It's so good with the honey.
Oh yeah. It's really good with the honey.
Yeah. Mmm. Wow. 생도록 너무 맛있어요. It's awesome. Yeah, it's really good.
That honey is really good. I'd eat that
It's
whole
like-
honeycomb.
Yeah, it's like the best honey I've ever had in my life. They also have, I'm gonna try the acorn jelly. This one definitely has that sesame oil taste. Chamgyeon. Man, that sauce is so good. Friends come here, we end up getting 3 or 4 because it's so good.
Is this the kimchi that they grilled?
That is the kimchi they grilled.
I'm
And it
just
is
gonna try a little bit.
Yep,
Here,
it
even
is.
without the pork.
3 years old. It's gonna be very sour, so
Yeah.
it's good with the oily pork.
Maybe I'll wait for a piece of pork.
Try it. It's normal to do. Because it'll help you judge like how much you need.
Oh, that's sauerkraut.
Yeah, right? Exactly.
That straight like would be good on a bratwurst.
See, that's why I think this meal reminds me of something that our family would love, because it's greasy pork with vinegary sauerkraut, basically.
Yeah.
And that was pretty unique because it's like smoked. You get like the smoky flavor from the wood.
If you remember, I talked about how banchan is mixing all of this stuff. I'm just gonna start with kimchi and the pork to get the pork essence. But you can mix everything here and make a wrap with it.
Well, I'm gonna just do pork and kimchi.
Uh-huh. Oh, kimchi's so good.
It is.
It's so sour. It's awesome. Very, very good.
Very good. That kimchi tastes so much different than the other kimchi we've had so far.
Yeah, because this is old kimchi. It's 3 years old. Ah, yeah, we got pajan too. Maybe. Ah, 진짜 맛있어요. This is amazing. Always so good.
So,
It smells so good. There you go, making a wrap. I'm gonna make a wrap with you.
honey in here.
Yeah, dude, go for that. That'll be good. Baby. That's good food.
Warm it down.
That is good food. Yeah, I love the pork and honey.
Honey?
Wow. I always forget how delicious this place is. I come and I'm like, oh my god, it's so good.
Black pork is unique to this area. So pajan is really common after hiking in the mountain. Acorn jelly is a very traditional mountain food.
It's awesome we're eating acorns.
Yeah, right?
This one too, especially, it's just like all green onions and then just a tiny bit of batter. So
Yeah. It's good, right?
I think it's my favorite.
Pajan?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, I
Nice.
mean,
Nice.
I like the onions and mushroom.
Gotcha.
Because I just love straight onions.
Yeah.
I could just eat that whole pancake.
go for it.
With
It's a good one.
Sesame sauce.
Soy sauce.
Or soy sauce.
So good.
The onions are just awesome. The pork is really good.
Everything's really good, right? It's just the pajan is your favorite.
Wow. You can taste the grill and the smoke of the pork,
Yeah.
which is what you want.
Fire, the word for fire in Korean is bul. And the word for taste is mat. So the Korean word for what you're describing is like bulmat.
Bulmat.
Yeah, they don't cut any of the onions. They just like. Should we could order another one?
I literally could just eat this for my meal. It'd be very simple.
I'm glad you love it, man. Pajan is one of the most common Korean foods, but this place does it really special. It's good.
Man, that's I can make that at home.
Yeah, you can. There's recipes.
No, that is good.
Pajan lover.
I love it.
Aaron's
I love
a Pajan
it's
lover.
potatoes, right?
No, it's
Or
batter.
Batter, I mean.
Yeah,
With
with
onions
onions.
and mushrooms. I love onions.
감사합니다.
많이 드렸어요?
네, 감사합니다. 너무 맛있어요. We got more pork and I'm happy. I'm gonna be crazy, guys. This is honeycomb on the pork. I love this bite. This is so good. I just think this kimchi is so bomb too. Taking Aaron here for his first taste of pork belly and mountain food was certainly the right choice. These kinds of places truly made me fall in love with Korea, and I could see the beauty of this mountain having the same effect on my brother. My family's 100-year-old sausage recipe was handed down to me from my grandfather, and thanks to Andy's Korea, I'm now offering it here in South Korea. This authentic Swiss bratwurst follows the exact recipe of my family and makes for the perfect companion to any barbecue or camping trip. Grill or fry until the natural casing is crispy and crunchy, and pair this juicy bratwurst with mustard or sour kimchi and an ice-cold beer. To support our channel, follow the links in the description to learn more about this amazing product now available in Korea.